You are going to love the 2023 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, audio speed sensitive volume control, cruise control,